we understood the reason why enhancement, why he will raise CR for enhancement. As I told you, one example, 1000 rupees notes, 500 rupees notes, 100 rupees. Old 1000 and 500 rupees notes are banned. Whereas 2000 notes, 500 notes, the ATM machine have to be enhanced, updated. For that, customer is going to raise CR for enhancement. Then now if you see in the failure, by utilizing the software by the customer, he faced some issues. He got some issues. At that time, we call it as failure or missed bug or latent bug. Okay. Now we are going to see the enhancement and failure. So all these, who is going to handle this task, enhancement and failure means at the maintenance phase. At the maintenance phase, PO is going to maintain CCB. Company is going to maintain CCB. CCB means change control board. In change control board, who exists in the change control board means trained freshers. Trained freshers. So you observe here. So once after successful completion of developing and testing the software is set for review and it is going to be released at the customer side. So after successful release of the software, the guys who developed, Scrum team members who developed this software and who performed testing over this software, they will continue to the next sprint. That is, I told the software is developed sprint by sprint. For suppose if you are having 1 to 10 sprints, first sprint is completed, then they won't work at maintenance. Then they concentrate on the second sprint. After completion of second sprint, they concentrate on third sprint. Up to the release only, they provide their assistance for releasing the software at the customer side. After that release phase, at maintenance phase, they won't exist. The Scrum team members won't exist at the maintenance phase. At maintenance phase, company is going to recruit the trained freshers. These trained freshers are getting trained by the people, the company people. Company people in the sense Scrum Master. These trained freshers are going to get trained regarding the developed software. So if suppose a customer got a doubt while utilizing the software, he got an issue in, at the time this CCB, change control board, these trained freshers are going to provide assistance or support to the customer. Okay. Whereas now if you see in the CR also change request enhancement, they are going to do enhancements to the software. Okay. Now I hope you got this point. At the maintenance, the role of the CCB is to provide the assistance and support to the customers. Clear? Here, Scrum team members won't be involved in the change request at the maintenance phase. Clear? So now let us see enhancement and failure. Okay. CR. Now see change request. Due to two reasons I told you. First of all, you will see enhancement. Let us discuss about enhancement. Okay. So enhancement. Okay. Previously I told one example to you. Here in a few months back we are having 1000 rupees notes, 500 rupees notes. Transactions were made with ATM. Okay. So now all those 100 notes, 1000 notes and 500 notes are banned, and new 2000 rupees note and 500 rupees notes 100 work. So but at the ATM they won't work. Means to withdraw the amount, to withdraw this 2000 rupees note and new 500 rupees notes, you need to enhance your system. So with this issue, customer raises the CR for requesting the enhancement. Then how? At this case, how they are going to perform the analysis? How they are going to identify the area? Okay, where they need to enhance. At this period of time, they are going to perform enhancement by conducting some analysis. That is what they are going to identify the impact analysis by conducting the impact analysis. So by conducting the impact analysis, they are going to identify where they need to enhance. where they need to enhance in ATM machine, they need to enhance at the place of where the 2000 rupees and 500 rupees notes will be replaced, 1000 rupees and 500 rupees notes should be replaced with 2000 rupees and 500 rupees notes, or else these 2000 rupees 500 rupees notes you won't get, the ATM won't work. So at that area they need to identify. To identify that, they are going to conduct impact analysis. Once after identifying the impact, after conducting the impact analysis, after identifying the enhancement area, after identifying enhancement in code, identifying the enhancement in code means at which line, at which module they need to enhance, that they are going to identify in code. After that, they are going to perform enhancements. They are going to do enhancements. After performing the enhancement, they are going to, or else you can call it as after performing some changes, doing enhancement or changes. You can remember like this. So after performing the changes, then they are going to retest. Again they are going to retest the changes. They are going to test the changes they done. They are going to test the changes. So after successful completion of testing the changes, they are going to release the patch file. Release patch file. Where they are going to release? They are going to release this patch file at customer side. Then after normal it goes on. After releasing the patch file, the customer is going to utilize the software. And again, if you got any issues or enhancements or failures, again they communicate with the maintenance team, change control board, CCB. Okay. So this we are calling it as enhancing maintenance. Here we can call it also like enhancing maintenance. Yeah. Enhancing maintenance. Okay, enhancing maintenance. Okay. See, now we understood clearly about enhancement. No. So the next factor. What is the next?